Okay, we're gonna review. Let's do it. Okay, remember substitution. You literally want one letter by itself. Then you're gonna substitute that into the other equation. Gonna swap them out. So remember, get the one that's probably the smallest by itself first. So I see this x equals 5, so I'm gonna highlight that 5. Okay, that's x equals that. So I'm gonna plug wherever I see an x in the other equation, I'm gonna plug in that 5 there. Okay, literally swapping the yellows out for each other. So instead of saying x, I'm gonna put 5. I'm gonna have 5 plus y equals 12. Okay, how do I keep getting y by itself? Minus that 5, good. What's y? What's 12 minus 5? 7. Okay, do I have x already a number?
Yes.
Yeah, already right here. So remember x comma y, 5 comma 7.
Why did they have to put that little thing right?
The brackets, because this is the system that they want you to solve together to make sure that you know these two together. It is a little fancy, isn't it? Okay, number 4. Well, when you get into algebra 2, there'll actually be 3 equations with 3 variables that you'll get to solve. It'll be fun. Okay, number 4. Okay, number 4. No negative talk. All right, number 4. Remember, get a variable by itself. Well, I see y is already by itself. Y is 2x. I'm going to highlight that 2x. But that's solved for y. So wherever I see a y in that second equation, I'm going to put in that 2x. So I have x plus 2x equals 9. Okay, let's keep solving. That is a beautiful x. Yes. What is x plus 2x? 3x. Beautiful. Because that's a 1 in front of that. So I have 3x equals 9. Divide by 3. And you do get 3. X is 3. Well, do I know what y is? No, not yet, but I'm going to find out. I'm going to plug it in. So y equals 2 times 3, which we already heard someone say y is 6. So x comma y, 3, 6. Perfect. Okay. Okay, 3, 6. Okay, we're going to keep going. I'm going to do a few more. Number 10. We're just going to keep going down. Do 2 more together. Well, this one, unfortunately, there's not really a smaller one, so it really doesn't matter how you start. But I see y equals that junk, right? So but that's y equals, so I'm going to replace this y in this other equation with that junk. I'm going to swap out the yellows. Okay, so instead of saying y, I'm going to put that whole shebang in there. I'm going to put negative 3x. Yeah, shebang. It's very mathematical terms. I don't know if you know. Negative 3x plus 4 equals 4x minus 10. Okay, but if I wanted to keep solving that, how do I keep solving that? What do you think? Yeah, move something over to the other side and move the other thing over to the other side. Which one do you want me to do? Minus 4? Sure. Well, minus 4x. Is that what you meant? Sure. Some of you are thinking that way. Some of you are thinking the other way. It doesn't matter. Remember, you can do it either way as long as you get all your letters on one side, numbers on the other. What's a negative 3 minus another 4? Whoa, what's a negative 3 minus another 4? Negative 7, thank you. Okay, so I have negative 7x plus 4 equals negative 10. Now what? Subtract 4. What's negative 10 minus another 4? 14. Negative 14. Now what? Divide by negative 7. And what does that end up being?
2.
Positive 2. Good. Love it.
You got that one right.
Don't know what y is yet. I can put it into either equation. Okay. Remember, you can always go back and check them and plug them in too. So I'm going to put that x in. I'm going to put it in the top one. Why not? Y equals negative 3 times, instead of x, I'm going to put in that 2 now, plus 4. Oh, I gotta keep solving that. What's negative 3 times 2? Negative 6 plus 4 is what? Negative 2.
Yes, I got that one right too.
X comma y, 2 comma negative 2. Now, make sure you're always doing x comma y, okay? Sometimes you're gonna solve for y first. Don't put that one first. You gotta do x comma y, okay? You have to actually check for that. We'll do one more together. Just make sure you're all on the right track, and then I'm gonna let you mosey along. It's only one side. Yep, mosey, yes. Okay, number 12. Do I see a variable by itself?
No.
At all?
Yes.
Yeah, I see the top ones by itself, right? Y is by itself. So why is this thing? The shebang, yeah, exactly. And so why is that? So I'm gonna highlight Y on the next line, and I'm gonna put that whole shebang in for Y.
How do you do shebang into that small area?
Yo, well, that's gonna be hard, isn't it? What do you think I need to put in there? What? A parentheses, love it. So I have 4x plus 3 parentheses. Yeah, it's moving in. 3x minus 4, and I will always say it like that so you remember it. Parentheses equals 1. Ooh. What? You do have to do the distributive property. Good job for remembering the name of it even. You guys are on fire today. All right, I love it. Okay, yeah, you got to multiply the whole shebang by 3. Okay, what's 3 times 3x?
9x.
9x. Got that one. 3 times negative 4.
Negative 12.
There you go. Equals 1. Okay. Now remember, these are on the same side of the equation, so you can just add like terms.
13x.
That is a 13x. Minus 12 equals 1. What am I going to do with that minus 12?
Got it.
Yeah. So I have 13x equals 13. Divide by 13, what's that?
1.
1. Now remember, I can plug that in top or bottom. I'm going to plug it into the top one.
Why can't they just give us the answer for y?
Nope. Have to earn it. 3 times 1 minus 4. Well, what's 3 times 1?
3.
What's 3 minus 4 then?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. X comma y. 1 comma negative 1. Nice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on your own. 8 on your own. No, I'm good.